Hello all, welcome to lecture number 10. Evaluate double integral over S del cross f dot ds where f is equal to x cube minus y cube I minus x y z j plus y square k and S is the surface x square plus 4y square plus z square minus 2x is equal to 4. Above x is equal to 0 by Stokes theorem. Now again the question is by Stokes theorem means whatever the given term we have to use Stokes theorem. So Stokes theorem is double integral over C f dot dr, it is equal to double integral over S del cross f dot n cap ds. Now instead of n cap ds, it is given as double integral over S del cross f dot ds bar. So this side is given, right hand side is given, we have to use left hand side. Now to evaluate this, we can write it as double integral over S del cross f dot ds bar, it is equal to integral over C f dot dr. Now to get in f dot dr, we want f vector as well as dr vector dr. So this is f vector is given as x cube minus y cube I minus x y z j plus y square k. Now substitute this f and dr is dxi plus dyj plus dzk. So it is equal to integral over C f dot dr is x cube minus y cube multiplied by I plus minus xyz multiplied by j plus y square k. Dot product of this vector with dxi plus dyj plus dzk. So to find out its dot product, it become integral over C x cube minus y cube multiplied by dx minus xyz dy plus y square dz. Now to get this integral over C, if we get limit we can find out its integration, but before that we want to convert this whole term dx dy dz in terms of only one variable. So for that we first see what is S. Surface S is given. Surface S is given as x square plus 4y square plus z square minus 2x is equal to 4. So above x is equal to 0. This is important here. Here it is mentioned that above x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 means dx is also equal to 0. So equation is x square plus 4y square plus z square minus 2x is equal to 4, and given that it is above x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 means dx is equal to 0. Above x equal to 0 means it is in yz plane. It represent that, this statement represent that above x is equal to 0 means it is in yz plane. So put x is equal to 0 here. It is 4y square plus z square. 4y square plus z square is equal to 4. Now divide this by 4, it is 4y square by 4 plus z square divided by 4, it is equal to 1, or we can write it as y square divided by 1 plus z square divided by 4, it is equal to 1. What it represent? It is a equation of ellipse. So above x is equal to 0, it is an ellipse in yz plane. So at y, what is general equation of ellipse? Y square by a square plus z square by b square is equal to 1. So what is its a value? It is 1, and b value it is equal to 2. Now we got shape of the surfaces, it is an ellipse. Now to convert this ellipse ellipse into one coordinate system. So for that we use elliptical coordinate system. Now what is elliptical coordinate system? Substitute y is equal to a cos theta and z is equal to b sin theta. So a is 1. So y is equal to cos theta and z is equal to b sin theta. So b sin theta means 2 sin theta. Then find out dy and dz. dy is equal to minus of sin theta into d theta and dz is equal to 2 cos theta d theta. So dy and dz we obtained. Now put in this integral equation number 1 where dx is equal to 0. So that integral become integral over c first dx is equal to 0, so first term is 0, minus x is equal to 0, so second term is also 0, remaining is only y square into dz. It is equal to integral over c y square. What is y? It is cos theta, so cos square theta multiplied by dz is 2 cos theta d theta. So it is equal to 2 times integration of cos cube theta d theta. Now integration is from 0 to 2 pi, because since it is an ellipse, complete limits are 0 to 2 pi. So 2 times integration 0 to 2 pi cos cube theta d theta. It is equal to, by using reduction formula, conversion formula, 0 to 2 pi can be written as 4 times 0 to pi by 2. But it should be even. What is this term? This is odd. So if it is odd, conversion formula is integration 0 to 2 pi cos to the power n theta d theta, it is equal to 0 for n is odd. So this is 2 multiplied by 0, which is equal to 0. So finally we got the answer 0. Next example is evaluate double integral over s del cross f dot n cap ds by Stokes theorem, where f is equal to x minus yi minus x square plus yzj minus 3xyk and s is the surface of the cone, z is equal to 4 minus square root of x square plus y square above the xy plane. Now double integral over s, what is given? Evaluate by Stokes theorem. So what is Stokes theorem? Integration over c f dot dr, it is equal to double integral over s del cross f dot n cap ds. Now f is given, question is given as evaluate double integral. So what we want to evaluate here? We evaluate single integral. If the question is evaluate double integral by Stokes theorem, then we evaluate single integral. If the question is evaluate single integral by Stokes theorem, then we evaluate double integral. So first we can write it as double integral over s del cross f dot n cap ds, it is equal to integral over c f dot dr, which is equal to, now what we want? F dot dr. So it is equal to integral over c, f is x minus y multiplied by dx plus minus, this is minus x square plus yz multiplied by dy minus 3xy dz. This is our f dot dr. Now question is, what is surface S or what is the curve C? So curve C, how to obtain this curve C? For that, surface S is given as, S is the surface of the cone. What is surface of the cone? Z is equal to 4 minus square root of x square plus y square. Now this is surface S. If this is the surface S and it lies above the XOY plane, above the XOY plane, this is mentioned here. Above XOY plane means what? Z is equal to 0. Above XOY plane, Z is always 0. So if Z is equal to 0, dz is also is equal to 0. Now what is Z? If substitute here in this surface equation, Z is equal to 0, 4 minus square root of x square plus y square. So this is equal to square root of x square plus y square. It is equal to 4. Now squaring on both sides, x square plus y square is equal to 16. So this is the equation of circle. So above XOY plane, whenever Z is equal to 0, what we get? Curve C is nothing but the circle. So curve C is a circle. And if it is a circle, what is its center and radius? Center is 0, 0 and radius is equal to 2. So substitute in this double integral over S del cross f dot n cap ds, it is equal to integral over C x minus y into dx. So x minus y into dx, it remain as it is, minus here z is equal to 0 and dz is equal to 0. That we are going to substitute in this equation number 1. So x minus y dx as it is. Next is minus x square dy and next term is dz. So it is equal to 0. Now substitute here. Since C is a circle, we can change this dx and dy in terms of one coordinate system by substituting parametric coordinates of circle. So what are the parametric coordinates of circle? X is equal to r cos theta, that is x is equal to 2 cos theta, and y is equal to r sin theta, that is 2 sin theta. Now dx is equal to 2, derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta. So minus 2 sin theta into d theta, and dy is equal to 2 cos theta into d theta. Substituting this in equation number 2. So it is equal to integral over C x minus y. So it is 2 cos theta minus 2 sin theta multiplied by dx, that is minus 2 sin theta, minus x square. X square is 2 cos theta whole square multiplied by dy, which is 2 cos theta multiplied by d theta. So it is equal to integral. Now since it is a circle and it is in terms of d theta, what are the complete limit for circle? It is from 0 to 2 pi. So 0 to 2 pi, minus 2 sin theta into 2 cos theta is minus 4 sin theta cos theta, minus minus plus 4 sin square theta, minus cos square theta into cos theta, it is cos cube theta, and 2 square is 4, 4 into 2 8. So 8 times cos cube theta d theta. Again we use reduction formula here to simplify it further. So reduction formula, it is integration 0 to 2 pi, integration 0 to 2 pi cos to the power n theta d theta, it is equal to it is equal to 2 times integration 0 to pi by 2 cos to the power n theta d theta, and it is equal to 0. Here n is even and n is odd. Now separate that integration double integral over s del cross f dot n cap ds, it is equal to integration 0 to 2 pi minus of 4 sin theta into cos theta plus d theta plus 4 times integration 0 to 2 pi 0 to 2 pi sin square theta d theta minus 8 times integration 0 to 2 pi cos cube theta d theta. Same conversion formula is for integration 0 to 2 pi sin theta cos theta. Here sin power is odd, cos power is also odd. So integration 0 to 2 pi, if m and n both are odd, it is equal to 0 plus 4 times sin square theta. Now 0 to 2 pi can be written as 4 times integration 0 to pi by 2 sin square theta d theta minus 8 multiplied by integration 0 to 2 pi, if the term is odd, it is equal to 0. So this is equal to 0 plus 16 multiplied by. Now we have one formula, integration 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power m theta d theta, it is equal to m minus 1, m minus 3 and so on divided by m minus 2, m minus 4 and so on multiplied by pi by 2 if m is even. So we can use this reduction formula to simplify it further. It is equal to m minus 1, here m is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1 divided by m is 2 divided by 2 multiplied by, here m is even, so it is multiplied by pi by 2, so which is equal to 4 pi. So this is the answer for double integral over s del cross f dot n cap ds. Thank you.